Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Valorant error code 0XC000005 Valorant win64 shipping.exe while you are playing the Valorant game on your Windows. So let's go quick into the process. First is you need to close the Valorant game. You can check this in the show hidden icons on the taskbar. Right click on the right client and then select exit. Now once done, locate your Valorant desktop icon. Now let me show you this one. So locate your Valorant desktop icon, make a right click and then select show more options. Now you have to click on run as administrator. Try running the application as an administrator first and see if it works for you. Let's wait for this to open. So once the Valorant game is being launched, just simply sign in with your account, username and your password and continue enjoying the Valorant game. Then for the next method is again make a right click at the Valorant desktop icon. Click on show more options. Then click on properties. Now the Valorant properties will be up, which has general tab, shortcut tab, compatibility tab, and the digital signatures tab. Now you have to click on the compatibility tab. And you will notice this box, compatibility mode, run this program in compatibility mode 4. You need to check this box and you need to choose the latest Windows. You can also check these boxes for disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and then OK. And for the next method is we need to temporarily disable the antivirus because this can block the application or this can cause the application to encounter the error. So if you are using any third-party antivirus softwares like Malwarebytes, Avast, McAfee, try to temporarily disable that. Just click on this show hidden icons on your taskbar. So if this is the Malwarebytes, Avast, or McAfee, so I don't use any of the third-party antivirus softwares. Just make a right click and then select exit or quit. Then click on your Windows security icon. Then click on virus and threat protection. Then scroll down and you'll find virus and threat protection settings. Click on manage settings. And just simply turn off or disable the real-time protection. And then launch the Valorant application and to see if the problem has been fixed. Then you need to go back to the same Windows security settings and then enable the real-time protection again because this is a very important protection of your Windows. So you just need to temporarily disable that. Then we can also run the SFC scan to scan for and repair system corrupt files. So in the Windows search bar, type CMD. On the right pane, click on run as admin. Then here you need to type SFC space / scan now and hit enter. Now this process will take some time depending on your Windows, so let's just minimize this for now. And for the final method in the Windows search bar, type here sysdm.cpl. It's sysdm.cpl, click on that. Now the system properties window will appear, which has computer name tab, hardware tab, advanced tab, system protection tab, and the remote tab. Now you have to click on the advanced tab. Performance, visual effects, processor scheduling, memory usage, and virtual memory. Click on settings. Then the performance options window will appear, which has visual effects tab, advanced tab, data execution prevention. Click on data execution prevention. You have two choices right here. Turn on DEP for essential Windows programs and services only, and turn on DEP for all programs and services except those I select. So you can choose the second option and click on apply and then OK. And then simply click on OK. And bring up your command prompt. Now, once this is completed, once this goes up to 100%, let's just wait for this in a while. Once done, type exit, hit enter, and then just make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart the window. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, then kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.